everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I was not planning to baby-proof my house because I just wanted the house to look nice and just to tell him not to do things. But as soon as I ended up having a toddler, I realized how unrealistic that was. So I went and got these Skyla Homes baby locks right away. One of my favorite parts is that they're so easy to open and you can do it with one hand. So if you're holding something or you're holding the kid or something, you can do it with one hand and open to get into wherever you need to. The first place that I really wanted to get these locks was on our DVD cabinet because my son figured out how to open it, and then he also figured out how to open the cases and take the DVDs out. So that was the first place we put them. I was super excited that it stuck so well and he cannot get it off because our cabinet is not just a flat wood, it's actually got grooves and stuff in it, and it still sticks super well. He cannot get it off and he cannot get in. I love how easy these baby locks are to install, but also that they really stick and he cannot get into any cabinets. If you have a toddler and you need to baby-proof your home, you need these locks. Buy them now. And that's my point of view.